cash stuffing $234 today. So I'm so excited about that. Happy Thursday, you guys. So yesterday I didn't notice that I rolled a 6-sided dice on our 12-sided dice, and a lot of you guys were like, hello, redo. So I will redo it. If it's not higher than 6, we're still gonna keep our 6. If it's higher than 6, we're gonna change that 6 and put the difference. Okay, that was my error. I didn't even notice, y'all. So anyways, guys, if you are new, hello, my name is Jency. I'm on a journey to save $15,000 for the year of 2026. And if you want to help me with that, all you have to do is give me a thumbs up, comment, share, watch those ad parentheses, capital letters, watch those ads, because that's how I'm getting paid from YouTube, and I'm using that money towards saving challenges. And actually on Saturday we're going to be playing with our Mario saving challenge bundle. I do have this in my shop. It's only the bundle, and this one is for 1K. So I will be playing Saturday with my YouTube paycheck for the first time ever, because you guys know I will mainly use my YouTube paycheck for my 100 envelope saving challenge, which I still need to unstuff. I haven't unstuffed it. My shop will reopen again tomorrow. I still have a lot of orders to go, but at least it gave me a little break from taking any more order, because every single day there was new orders and I was just freaking out. So yeah, I still have the end of this year to complete that goal. I'm still excited. I still have hope I can complete it. I think so. I know I will. We're claiming it. We're claiming it. So yeah, so if you want to check out my shop, you sure can check it out. Starting tomorrow, it will reopen. I just needed a little break to catch up on order as much as I could. And yeah, all right, let's double roll. Okay, yeah. So for everybody that was complaining, just kidding, you were not complaining, but hey, okay, we're taking that 6. Yo said, redo. So we're adding a 12. Okay, a 12 from yesterday. So let me see. I think I have exactly 12. Yep. 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Now for today, let's see what we're adding. Oh, we're adding an 8. Okay. $8 it is. All right, guys. So there's that redo from yesterday. It was my error. I didn't even notice that I rolled a 6. All right, so there's a 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's that. I will put that money in there in just a second. Now let's roll for our 6-sided dice. Oh my goodness, y'all. Tongue twisting over here. For me, it is. All right, here we go, girlfriends. We're adding $4. So if you're saving with 6-sided dice, you are adding $4. Whoop, whoop. All right, like I said, guys, sorry, that was not my intention to roll a 6-sided dice in our 12-sided dice saving challenge. Like literally not my intention. I did condense. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so we're taking away, hold on. Okay, so we're adding 12, right? So I need to add 6 to it. So 5 and 6. Okay, so there is 6. And then 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go. There we go. So we are good now. All right, there we go. I was about to add more money when I should have not, because we only need to pay the difference, which was 6, because we added 6. So there you go. So 5 and 6, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Okay. Now we're good. We're cut up. We're cut up, guys. We're cut up. All right. I was about to like have extra money in there, and you were gonna freak out and be like, Yancy, you messed up. You messed up. Okay, girlies. I do want to let you know that let's get started. Hold on, yeah, I'll talk to you guys in just a second. Okay, let's do our build mortgage. All right, all about power is our power build. We need 60. We have 20, 40, 50, and we're adding a 10, and that is 60. We have completed this one, so that is amazing. We are good to go for August. Guys, for the house, we need 86, and we're adding a 10 today, and we have completed this one too. 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, and 6. Look at that. 86 completed. That makes me so happy. Insurance for my car is going to get $10, and and I don't think I have this one completed, but I will complete it next week. But let's check. 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Yeah, 34. So we need $10 for next week, and we will complete it. Nice. Internet needs 40, and internet is going to get $5. So now internet has 20, 30, and 40. We have completed that one. Awesome. And last but not least, we need 500 for mortgage. I'm going to add up 50, and now we have 450. So we need $50 for next week, and we will complete that as well. You guys know I always try my best to stretch my money as much as I can. So yes, ma'am. All right, guys, let's do our little wallet. And talking about little wallet, I need to put back my flounder. I need to put back my little flounder. Okay, family is going to get $5 on family. Okay, so nice. Yes, ma'am. All right, $5 in family. Fuel is going to get 20. I put gas yesterday, and it didn't even get full. And then, have you noticed this week prices went up again? Yeah, it literally have gone up again. Like, I kid you not. So yeah, so like I said, I didn't put gas this week, so hey, I'm adding at least 20 though. But yeah, gas went up again. It went up 40 cents here in 1 week. So I'm like, here we go again. All right, shopping's not getting anything. Little treat is not getting anything. Nails, yes ma'am. Nails is getting $20, you guys. I booked my appointment for my nails next week. Now it has 45. I need more than that. I'm going to a home-based nail tech, and she's super close by me. I'm excited. Yeah. Y'all won't even know about the prices, but the prices are pricey. Well, yes and no, because I'm actually getting done something. But you know what I like though? I will say this. I gave props to her for putting prices on her website and just telling you ahead of time how much you're going to pay. I love that. So I'm getting acrylic, almond shape, hopefully almond shape, with freestyle like design. I'm so excited. They're going to be my birthday now, bitch. Yes. Birthday Leo season over here in the house, girl. Okay, a Pokemon. Pokemon is gonna get $10. Your girl's turning 29, girls. Can y'all believe that? No, I can't believe it. I still feel 16, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that's how y'all feel? I feel y'all. No, I'm not calling y'all old. No, I'm not. I promise. It's just when people tell me, like, I have met so many people in my life, and I met from like young kids to like literally 70, 80-year-old, and they're like, you're a baby, you're young. Or when I tell them I know some of our neighbors and I tell them their age, they're like, oh, they're babies. And I'm like, bro, like they think they're babies compared to them because I guess they're older. Like, it's wild, right? So I get it now. I get it. But hey, it's okay to get older and feel older, right? We have to accept our age. I just can't believe it, y'all. Like 29, like it just seems so unreal. Like I don't feel 29. Like what the heck? Like actually, I think it hit me yesterday, last night when I was about to go to sleep. I was like, oh shit. I'm like, I'm turning 29. I'm like, next year I'm 30. I'm like, the fuck's going on over here? Y'all, it's just me, just, I guess, not accepting that I'm getting older. Like, I don't feel older. I know I don't look older, which is good. That is good. But you know what I'm saying? Like, what? Can I not be like a teenager forever? All right, car maintenance is getting $5. It's okay. My spirit is young, full of it all. That's it. We gotta carry ourselves good. All right, celebration's gonna get $5. But yeah, $5. I just know that when our kids, like Eric will be 15 in 9 years, right? I think so. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, no, 6 years. What the hell, 9 years? 6 years, 6 years. So in 6 years, so add, okay, hold on. Let's see. Let's do a calculator. 29 plus 6. I will be 34 because I am 28 plus 6. Yeah, 34 when my oldest is 15. Okay, girl, yes. You know, we're gonna be those parents going out with their kids and like, just kidding. My knees will probably be cracking. My knee's been cracking for a long time. Okay, Christmas gonna get $5. Y'all, forgive me. I'm talking nonsense like always. Y'all, let's continue. You're not here for my nonsense stuff. You're here to see my cash stuffing. All right, Dylan is gonna get $5. Same thing Dylan gets. You already know. Eric gets. So yeah, like I was gonna say, I was gonna talk to you guys. Officially put in my order yesterday. Eric is getting 5. I officially put in my order yesterday, girlfriends. Are y'all excited? Because I'm excited. Yes. So, whoop, whoop. And this week, my millionaire collection is shipping. I just asked her, hey, can I get tracking? Because they were supposed to ship it yesterday. Because she said, hey, we're shipping it this week. And I think this week was supposed to be yesterday. If not yesterday, it's going to be today, though. But this shipping this week. $5 in renovation. So I'm excited about that. That should be launching in September. I'm hoping for the first week of September. But if not, it's going to be somewhere in September. Don't know the date yet. You already know it's Friday. Talking about Friday, do you guys like super early? Like I'm Central Time. Savings is going to get $10. So I'm Central Time. I don't know if you guys like it when I do 9 a.m. Central, or do you guys prefer for me to do 3 p.m. Central? Let me know, what do you guys prefer? Do you prefer 9 a.m., 10 a.m.? I cannot do 12 because I'm at work. So that's why. Or do you guys prefer 3 p.m. Central Time? Because at that time, I'm at home on break. So I don't know. Y'all tell me. What do you guys prefer? All right. Vacation is getting $10. I usually like to get it super early in the morning just to get it out the way, you know, and go about my day because I hate waiting. Trust me, I'm with you guys. I hate waiting. All right. Let's do our low priority binder. So yeah, so my order has been put in for, if you already know, you probably already know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, let me tell you and cut you in. All right. I put in my order for this cutie patootie. I mean, like, y'all, like, shut up. And I put in my order for this cutie patootie. Okay, but like, shut up, y'all. Like, what the heck? I freaking love it. Like, I didn't think I was going to love something like this, but I love it. This is an 8/8. She is arriving by the end of this year. And same with this wallet. I don't have a date for this one, but they are going to be posted in the shop at random time. And I will let you guys know. But I'm actually excited for that, y'all. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, I low-key ready to play with that one. All right, so there is that. Okay. Alex is going to receive $5. Nice. $5 for Alex. Yeah. So I'm excited, though. Super excited. Love all the new things coming to the shop, all because of you guys. And also, I want to let you know that Dento's getting $10. I am dropping a Christmas bundle. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I go live there randomly when I can. And I told the people that were on Instagram, I said, hey, and I show them something. I'm like, there's a bundle coming to my shop. All right, school is gonna get $23 and 20, 21, 22, 23. And yeah, so I'm excited. You guys know that we all have gotten ourselves in debt for Christmas present, and I want to help you cut that cycle, cut that from, you know, cut it from like the bad habits. Basically, I want to help you guys out with that. All right, and this Pokemon is going to get $6, so 5 and 6. And so I'm creating a bundle for you to save for Christmas, or it can be like Christmas. We're going to go ahead and scratch off the other one so we know already ahead of time how much we're going to save next week. So Christmas is basically for you to save for Christmas present or Christmas decor, or maybe you're hosting Christmas, you need money for food. So, you know, you can start ahead of time, and I'm excited for that one. I shared with you on Instagram about it, and y'all were like freaking out. It is a gorgeous color that is coming. For right now, it's only a bundle. I may put maybe 5, 2 or 3. It all depends on how they arrive. Hopefully, in God's willing, they arrive good. Because I'll be honest with you, I order a good amount. All right, next time we're adding $3, y'all. $3, and I actually want to go ahead and do another one. So next time we're going to add a 3 and an 8 for next time, okay? So 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're adding 11 next time. And once I complete this money, I'm going to divide it with the kids for their savings. I'm just saving in general for them, whatever they may need when they get older, okay? So there's that. So yeah, so right now it's going to be a bundle. I'm excited. I don't know price yet. I truly don't know, but it's going to be between $95. That's what I'm aiming, 95 to 100, around there, guys, because it is an 8.5. I'm trying to find the other thing so I can show you real quick. It's an 8.5, and oh, there it is. It's an 8.5, and ta-da! They have arrived to me a while back. And same with this, if you didn't notice, that also arrived to me, but I'm not bringing this. I'm not bringing this. I just don't know. I'm just not. But yeah, so I'm so excited for that, you guys. If you were on Instagram, you know the color. The color is so good. Like, you can lick your finger how good the color is. But yeah, anyways, so I wanted to let you guys know ahead of time, because, you know, I love to tell you guys ahead of time so y'all can save those coins and see and think about if you want it or not. Because, you know, I don't like to just randomly pop something in there and be like, hey guys, new items. You're like, oh snap, you didn't tell us ahead of time, so we didn't save, and then y'all go and do afterpay or something like that. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just I don't want you guys to be in debt for anything of my product. Okay. Okay, dokie. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is what? Friday. Oh, we're playing Freebie Friday tomorrow, so that's exciting. All right, girlfriends. See you in the next one. I love you guys. Thank you for spending your time on me, because I know your time is precious, and thank you for choosing me on that precious time. Y'all are amazing. Y'all are a real one. Adios.